Sample number 4. 6, 8 minus 4, 8. Again, copy its denominator 8 and then subtract its numerator 6 minus 4. So our answer will be 6 minus 4 is 2 over 8 or 1/4. Next, sample number 5. 8/10 minus 5/10 equals to, copy its denominator 10, subtract its numerator 8 minus 5. Answer will be 8 minus 5 is 3 over 10. So our final answer is 3/10. Sample number 6. 11/12 minus 4/12. Copy its denominator 12 and subtract its numerator. 11 minus 4 is 7 over 12. Last, number 7. 18 over 20 minus 4/28. Copy its denominator 20. 18 minus 4. Copy them. So 14 over 20. Or, so it is divisible by 2. Or 7 over 10. That is our final answer.